Welcome to Dreamride Estates, USA. Today, we are taking an exclusive first look at BMW's brand new luxury van home, a groundbreaking concept that redefines mobility, elegance, and futuristic living. Imagine a home on wheels that doesn't compromise on luxury or technology, designed to travel anywhere in the USA while delivering the comfort of a high-end mansion. From its sleek aerodynamic exterior to the fully automated AI supercar garage inside, every inch of this van home has been meticulously crafted for those who demand the ultimate in mobile living and style. As we explore this futuristic marvel, you'll discover innovative design, smart technology, and luxurious amenities that make the BMW van home an unparalleled experience. From the moment you approach this vehicle, the stunning presence of the van captures attention. The exterior is finished in a reflective obsidian black metallic paint that accentuates its sculpted curves and sharp lines, giving it a dynamic yet elegant profile. Every panel has been aerodynamically engineered, reducing drag while maximizing stability and comfort on the road. The retractable terrace on the side unfolds smoothly with the push of a button, providing an instant outdoor living space for dining, lounging, or enjoying panoramic views of any landscape. Solar panels integrated seamlessly into the roof supply clean, sustainable energy, powering lights, appliances, and climate control systems inside, making this van as eco-conscious as it is luxurious. As we move around to the rear, the AI-controlled garage doors open automatically, revealing a bespoke space built to house a BMW AI supercar. This is not just storage, it is a fully integrated, climate-controlled environment with intelligent lift systems that park your vehicle safely and effortlessly. The garage is equipped with soft ambient lighting and holographic displays that show the car's status, charging levels, and diagnostics in real time. The level of precision and detail in the design is truly remarkable, and the van's sensors and cameras ensure that parking is seamless no matter where you are. Stepping inside the van, the first thing that strikes you is the feeling of spaciousness. Despite being a mobile home, the layout has been intelligently designed to maximize every square inch. The fold-out queen-sized bed emerges elegantly from the wall, upholstered with premium leather and memory foam for ultimate comfort. Adjacent to it, the compact kitchen features an AI-assisted cooking system capable of preparing a variety of meals with precision timing. It includes a mini refrigerator, induction cooktop, automated coffee maker, and smart storage compartments that slide open when needed and hide away when not in use. The lounge area is furnished with reclining chairs and a modular sofa system that adapts to your seating preferences. Ambient lighting can be controlled through voice commands or a mobile app, with color options ranging from warm golden tones for relaxation to crisp blue-white for focus or work. Large panoramic windows provide an immersive view of your surroundings while maintaining privacy through intelligent smart glass technology that darkens or becomes opaque on demand. Even the bathroom reflects cutting-edge design, featuring a compact shower with a water recycling system, touchless faucets, and a smart mirror with embedded display for news, weather updates, or navigation information. Every fixture is crafted from high-quality materials like brushed aluminum, tempered glass, and marble accents, ensuring a feeling of indulgence while maintaining practicality for a mobile environment. The integrated AI assistant controls climate, lighting, security, and entertainment systems throughout the van. You can adjust temperatures room by room, dim or brighten lights, or activate entertainment modules, all with simple voice commands. For work or leisure, a retractable workstation emerges from the floor, complete with wireless charging pads, ergonomic seating, and connectivity to cloud services, turning any location into an instant office or creative hub. Now let's explore the piece de resistance, the AI supercar garage. The lift system lowers the platform with whisper-quiet motors, and your BMW AI supercar glides into place, perfectly aligned with magnetic guides. Inside the car, dashboards connect to the van's central system, syncing climate control, security alerts, and entertainment preferences. You can preheat the car, charge the battery, or schedule maintenance checks, all from the van's integrated control interface. This level of integration represents the future of automotive luxury, where your home and vehicle function as a single intelligent system. As we continue to explore, notice the hidden storage solutions scattered throughout the van. Drawers, cabinets, and concealed compartments ensure that every personal item, travel accessory, or luxury gadget has a dedicated place, maintaining a clutter-free living environment. Safety has been meticulously engineered, from advanced collision detection and autonomous braking systems for the van to reinforced structure and fire-resistant materials for the interior. The van is also equipped with adaptive suspension that adjusts automatically to road conditions, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrain. One of the most striking features is the rooftop terrace. With a simple command, the van transforms, elevating part of the roof to create an outdoor lounge space. Here you can enjoy a 360-degree view of your surroundings, host guests, or simply relax with a coffee while the sun sets over the horizon. The terrace integrates seamlessly with retractable awnings, ambient LED lighting, and modular seating, offering the perfect combination of comfort and style. Energy management is handled by an advanced system that monitors solar output, battery levels, and energy consumption. You can track usage in real time, schedule energy-intensive activities during peak solar generation, and even share surplus power with connected devices or portable charging stations. Entertainment inside the van is second to none. A retractable 4K OLED screen, premium surround sound, and immersive lighting effects transform the lounge into a cinematic theater. Whether streaming movies, gaming, or listening to music, the system adapts sound profiles to the van's interior acoustics, delivering an exceptional experience no matter where you are. Connectivity is global, with built-in 5G modules, Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, and satellite navigation integrated into both the van and the AI supercar. This ensures uninterrupted access to streaming services, video calls, or remote work tools anywhere in the USA. For privacy, advanced noise cancellation and biometric security systems protect personal data and secure access to the van's functions. The attention to detail also extends to aesthetics. Interior finishes feature a combination of sustainable woods, polished metals, and high-quality textiles that convey luxury without feeling ostentatious. Subtle ambient lighting highlights architectural elements and transitions naturally from day to night, enhancing the sense of space and comfort. Traveling in this van home is an experience in itself. The AI system can plan optimal routes, adjust suspension for comfort, and even manage charging stations for the supercar, making long-distance travel smooth, effortless, and enjoyable. Imagine driving along the California coast, parking at a scenic cliff, and enjoying a sunset from your rooftop terrace with the reassurance that every luxury and safety feature is taken care of automatically. Beyond comfort, the BMW Luxury Van Home also emphasizes sustainability. Solar power, efficient energy management, and low-emission materials reduce the environmental impact while maintaining top-tier performance. This combination of luxury and responsibility sets a new standard for futuristic living. Each van is customizable, allowing owners to select interior themes, material finishes, AI personalization settings, and optional modules for entertainment, wellness, or work. This ensures that no two van homes are exactly alike, providing a truly bespoke experience. In summary, BMW's Luxury Van Home is not just a vehicle. It is a revolutionary mobile living solution that brings together automotive engineering, smart home technology, and luxurious design. It represents a lifestyle where mobility and comfort coexist seamlessly, where your home can follow you anywhere without compromising on style or convenience. For those who dream of living in a space that is as dynamic as their life, this van home offers an unmatched combination of innovation, luxury, and freedom.